In 1898, several baking companies merged to form the National Biscuit Company, later known as Nabisco. This marked the beginning of the organization that would eventually create the Oreo cookie. Today, Oreo cookies are produced in factories across 18 countries, churning out an astonishing 40 billion cookies per year. But how is this massive production achieved? Given the sheer volume of cookies required, hand-making them isn't an option. Instead, Oreo factories rely on heavy-duty machinery capable of producing over 1 billion cookies annually. The key ingredients for Oreo cookies include flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, leavening agents such as baking soda and baking powder, salt, flavorings, and vanilla cream filling. These ingredients are sourced from various suppliers and undergo quality checks upon arrival at the factory. The process begins with preparing the batter. A worker pours large quantities of sugar into an industrial-grade mixer, followed by 2 types of cocoa, which are pre-processed for a milder, smoother taste. A pre-mixed combination of salt and other dry ingredients is then added, along with a specially formulated canola oil mixture to help bind everything together. As massive beaters mix the ingredients, water is introduced, transforming the mixture into a bubbling chocolate batter. To regulate the temperature, dry ice is added. This ensures the dough remains less crumbly when flour is incorporated. Next, a blend of leavening agents is mixed in, and after one final stir, the rich chocolate dough is ready for shaping. Workers then transfer the dough into a grate, which portions it into smaller chunks before feeding them into a molding machine. This machine not only shapes the dough into biscuit-sized pieces but also embosses each cookie with the intricate Oreo design and logo. With impressive efficiency, this machine produces 5,000 cookies per hour. Next comes the baking process. The cookies move from a silicone conveyor belt onto a steel one, chosen for its excellent heat conductivity, which ensures even baking and a crisp, flawless texture. The cookies then enter an 85-meter-long industrial oven, where they bake for several minutes before cooling. While the cookies cool, the signature vanilla cream filling is prepared. This filling is made from powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, vanilla flavoring, and other ingredients to achieve the perfect taste and texture. Once ready, the filling is loaded into a pump, which allows for precise dispensing. When the cookies have reached the ideal crispness, they move on to another conveyor that arranges them for assembly. As they travel over a series of ramps, half of the cookies land plain side up, while the others land with the engraved side facing up, positioning them perfectly for the filling process. A cylindrical pump carefully deposits the vanilla filling onto the plain side cookies, and machinery then presses the top biscuit onto each one, creating the classic Oreo sandwich. After assembly, mechanical fingers group the cookies into bunches, which are then transferred by grippers into plastic trays. The entire production process, from mixing to packaging, takes about 90 minutes, with factories producing an incredible 3,000 Oreos every minute. At the quality control station, the cookies undergo thorough checks to ensure they meet Nabisco's high standards. Once approved, they are packaged into larger boxes or containers and sent to distribution centers before reaching retailers worldwide. Today, Oreo cookies are sold in over 100 countries, with approximately 34 billion consumed each year. If learning about the process has sparked your sweet tooth, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out our video on how chocolate is made.